Alright, here we are with the MegaBanger Professional 5-inch shells. We're going to set these off. Here's the tube. Here's the shells. We've got the MegaBanger Mini X Artillery 6-pack, 1-inch, 6 effects. We're going to show all three of these real quick in this video. It's only one pack of shells though. I'm gonna say that. Yeah, I'm gonna link them together, not all at once. They're gonna be timed with the fuse. Because that way you can get it done, go back and watch it. So we got the brocade to blue. White multicolor peony with crackling. Purple foam. Yeah, stop. Dunk. 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 Grab me a pack of fuse. The green stuff. We're also going to need some scotch tape, I guess. Grandma's got it. Get it from Grandma.
Her ankle's hurting.
Well, she can tell you what.
And she's in a maze.
It should be out. It should be pretty easy to find in the desk, maybe. I have no idea if putting these minis next to these other ones are a good idea or not. It should be fine. Yeah. So that's the MegaBanger Mini X 1-inch artillery. Where? So just wait till we're, I don't know. I have never had trouble with the fuse working like this by just scotch taping it. Nothing fancy at all. Always worked. So we'll see if it works tonight or not. The mini artillery is very comfortable. And then we're lighting the sucker off. When I'm done. In just a minute here. Did you leave your mom a message? Addison? Yeah, jumping jack. You found your hard surface. You get, maybe I'm putting another piece of plywood over there, kind of where she's standing. Yeah, you need a hard flat surface for a lot of fireworks that are ground fireworks. Okay? It's usually better to use. All fused up, loaded up, simple. And 3 of these. I think this would be just perfect. Got it angled. Hopefully it's not too much of an angle. But yeah, you just light this, then we'll come back and do this one. Well, let's do the minis first. Mini X shells. Let me get back here. See, those are the minis. Aren't those great? All right, let's do the big boys. Good gosh. It was just the fuse. That's it. That was the MegaBanger Pro 5-inch shells, and before that was the MegaBanger mini artillery, which, gosh, for the price difference, these are definitely pretty good. For like $10 versus $150.
That it, Dad?
Thanks for watching. And yeah, that's it. Make sure and smash and turn on, catch on fire the like and subscribe button. There.
What happened?
It's a MegaBanger.